here we have an example of a pack bench, and today I'd like to just talk through some of the things that you could do here to optimize it. So firstly, monitor mounted high up off the desk gives you more space here for packing your orders. The orders here are quite small, so this is enough sufficient space. The keyboard raised up at an angle you can still use if you need to, but most of what you do here will be driven by this scanner, which is hardwired in over USB, which is a more reliable connection and you don't have to worry about power. And then the mouse is just kept to the side. So when you do get an order and pack, you take the items off the trolley, scan them all. Here we can see we've got our pack boxes ready to go and all of the packaging. And we've got our packaging barcodes. So here we can scan whether it's a jiffy bag, small box, medium box, large box, capture those dimensions, take the weights of the items and the weight and dimensions of the packaging, and that's what's sent to create the correct shipping label that's more accurate. And you'll scan a barcode here to make your label printer work, and your shipping label comes out without having to click a mouse throughout the whole process.